All right, folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 715. The final destination of that train is going to Oakland, Jet London Square, Oakland. Please don't mind Kevin right there dancing. And that 59 PHI lead it off. Well, what do you know? It is 2014 leads off.
Terminated Oakland. Passengers going to San Francisco, your bus is boarding in the parking garage. Across from the train, ground floor the parking structure. Once again, passengers going to San Francisco, your bus is boarding in the parking garage. Next to the station, ground floor the parking structure. Across the tracks from the train is the parking garage where bus 6615 will board.
Alright, folks. 715 is now departing the Emeryville Amtrak station. 2014 leaves off on the F59 PHI. He got the diverted green center. We'll be moving on to the other track. I think that the cat car is 6964 Port Arena in the back. No, 6965 Point St. George. All right, folks, this is Point St. George, 6965. All right, folks, that train is going to the final stop. Oakland, Jet London Square, Oakland. That's where the train be terminated at. All right, folks, I am Marcel Hall. Have a good Sunday. Bye-bye now.